Top down, moving independent. Yeah, sun on my skin, let it glisten. Yeah, going too fast, I admit it. Yeah, keep the dub saying double digits. Whoa, clean with the entourage. Whoa, I'ma need all that applause. Whoa, do what I want, go hard with my head in the clouds and my feet in the yard. Whoa, life's been too good to me. I'ma need that. I'ma need that. I'ma need that. Switch it up, please. Stop flicking for me. Cut up with kicks too clean. I want all of the love I'ma need that. If I get it, I'ma keep that. I work so hard just so I can put my feet back, so I can put the seat back. Shining so bright, I know everybody see that. Whoa, life's been too good to me. I'ma need that. I'ma need that. I'ma need that.
Dance with me under the diamond.
Hi babe. We've waited for this for a very long time and it's finally happening. 10 years ago, you're my ultimate crush. Then 4 years later, we dated.
Kiss me silver and gold. You say that I won't lose you, but you can't predict the future.
Sinat ko ata siya sa Facebook. Hindi ko sure ko siya o something like that. Tapos, that time kasi, parang wala naman girlfriend mo naman or anything. So, yun. Nag-meet kami, then, nag-click naman. Kumbaga, gusto ko gali niya. And from there on, yun. The rest is history naman.
You are the only one I'll ever love.
Everyone thinks we're the total opposite of each other. But for some reason, it worked out. And it was the start of a beautiful journey together.
5 years na magkasama kami. Nagkakilala kami maigi. At the same time, alam na namin eh. Ganun kasi kami, parang makulit kami. Alam na mga kaibigan namin yan.
If it's not you, it's not anyone. Forever's not enough time to love you the way that I want. 'Cause every morning I find you, I feel the day that I don't.
Minsan naiisip ko, paano kung hindi tayo nagtagpo ulit? What if life led me somewhere else? But then I realized God knew exactly what He was doing. You know, I needed someone like you. Someone who chooses to love me even on the days I find it hard to love myself.
That you are the only one I'll ever love. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not anyone.
Sa pagpapakasal, tanging pag-ibig lamang ang dahilan kung bakit si Adrian at Trisha ay nasa harapan natin at nasa harapan ng Diyos.
It's not anyone. Not anyone.
Pipilitin ko na maging best version of me, worthy of choosing for her every day. And from this day forward, ito na yung next chapter natin. Alam mo naman yun na mahal na mahal kita. Trisha, I will always support you in every step of the way to help you make your dreams come true. And I promise to protect what we built, the love we share, to keep showing up no matter what. Oy, si Red Hot. patunay na walang imposible. Sabay natin tutuparin lahat ng pangarap natin. I hope. Thank you. Love you. See you later. Thank you. Love you.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo sa amin ni Vera. Sa lahat ng pagod at diskarte, mabigay lang sa amin ng sobrang saya at gaan na buhay. Lagi mong tatandaan sa lahat ng bagay, andito ako. Sa gilid, sa likod, sa harap, para suportahan ka.
Trisha, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Adrian na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes, Father.
Adrian, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Trisha na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Yes, Father.
Okay, AJ, hold on to life. Whatever happened, focus on the goal. Don't give up.
Mom, I love you. Thank you. Enjoy tayo mamaya. Okay, guys. Enjoy natin yung event.
Ang tingin natin sa pag-ibig, ito ay isang emosyon. Ito ay isang pakiramdam. Pero sa dalawang taong nagmamahalan, sa mag-asawa, ang pag-ibig ay nagiging isang desisyon.
Sana huwag kang magbabago kasi ikaw yung pinakamabuting taong nakilala ko. Mahal na mahal kita. Sige na, aamin na ako. Dream come true ko talaga to. Habang sinusulat ko to ngayon, sabi ni Vera, Daddy, you're my hero. I love you so much.
Babe, simula sa araw na to, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Always remember na I will be there for you. Mapaproblema man o kasiyahan. Lowest of lows, highest of high. Sabay natin harapin, magkasama.